Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and welcome to ConExpo on the Caterpillar stand with a 301 brand new compact radius machine I'm sat on right now, folks. Plenty of space for the operator, a nice comfortable seat and a lot of digging power. But I'm going to find out more by talking to the expert. So it's about time I got off this comfortable seat and started to talk about this machine for you. Come on, let's go. So I'm joined here now with Bahar, the product specialist. This is your baby, and it is actually small and compact, but there's a lot of potential in this machine, isn't there, for the end users? Tell us a little bit about it.
Of course, yeah. So this is our smallest mini excavator that we're introducing into global markets. Compact radius, zero tail swing. It's basically going to be a great product for rental, for our retail customers. It's got great weight, so it's going to be around 1,250 kilos.
Yep.
We have expandable undercarriage to make it more stable depending on the application. And we are offering actually our new auger, A13, for landscaping. We've got B1 hammer that already exists in our portfolio that's compatible,
Yep.
as well as various buckets. So it's going to be really a versatile machine that's going to be fitting all the purposes: trenching, utilities, demolition, landscaping, general construction, that we think is going to be really appealing to our customers.
And I've just been sat in it, as you've seen, folks, and yeah, it is comfortable. There is a lot of space there as well for the operator.
We try to make operator comfortable, so we have adjustable armrests with joystick mounted pilot controls. We've got basically now introducing also seat belt reminder as a safety feature. We have the certified ROP structure that is foldable as well. So we are really looking at power. It's got the C1.1 CAT engine in it with 12 kilowatts or 16 horsepower.
When we talk about the auger at the front, folks, and we'll show you that as well, it is about the utility nature of this machine, isn't it? Lots of capabilities.
Exactly. So the A13 auger is actually 30% lighter, but with 30% more torque coming into it. So light, but with extra power. We are looking at, with the compact radius as well, having lighter attachment, of course, is going to enable the performance that's expected. So this is going to open versatility on the machine.
So it's not just about construction, folks, it's also about landscaping and things like that as well. So great to see you today. Cheers.
Yeah, thank you, Pete.